morning, guys. We are here at the airport. Oh, just ran into my leg. Been up since 2 o'clock. Very tired. It is now, I think, 9:30. Isaiah, this way. We're about to pick Andrea up. I'm so excited. Isaiah, come here. He's about to get run over by all these trolleys. Alright guys, so we will see Andrea in a bit and I'll talk to you guys later. Okay, bye. Okay, good morning guys. I have got Andrea here with us. Hello. All the way from New Zealand. And we are about to go and surprise her in a place that's like 2 hours away from where we are, 2.5 hours. So we will show you guys when we get there. Alright, so we've stopped and we got some yummy honey and butter popcorn. Never tried it before. Do you want to, are you gonna taste it? First taste. Is it good? I gotta taste it.
It is good.
Oh.
You've got to pack it over the back for you too.
We got the wheelchair in the back.
The wheelchair.
And all the baby stuff and the food and the drinks. That's really good. I like it.
Wait, are you gonna watch our face?
I do.
Oh, are you? Come.
Tastes good? Well, it doesn't taste like honey, it's just sweet, isn't it? Like, it's sweet.
It's like tea.
So you can taste, yeah. Alright, next stop should be Burrinjuck. We'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so we've made it to Burrinjuck. Andrea does not know that we are about to feed some kangaroos and the birds. So we will check that out in a minute. Alright, we've got some eastern brown snake in here. Crazy. Ah, so young. And this is a bandy snake. Alright, let's go. Okay, we're here. Oh look, it looks like a little baby one. So cute. Okay, so the surprise is we are going to be feeding the kangaroos and we're going to be feeding a whole bunch of birds.
It's gonna go on your head.
They come flying down on top of you and yeah.
Look at that. They sit on your arms and eat them.
Alright, so we will go and check them out and then we'll be back.
Do you like it?
I love it, yes.
They're cool birds.
Oh, they are.
No, I'm dropping them.
Alright.
Like when you feed a kangaroo.
Yes,
They're really
we're
good when you eat.
feeding some birds. There's heaps of them all on the ground everywhere. Pretty little birds.
This one's orange and green, but that one's real red and blue.
And you what
Pretty colour, eh?
Wait, what am I? Oh, wait, matey.
Isaiah, stay here. Alright, so we're near the kangaroos. About to feed this one.
My hands are wet.
Oh, yeah.
It looks poos beside you.
I think so, yeah.
Hand on the mic. Hold it. Come on, look.
Eli's gonna feed the kangaroo. Ah.
Oh, good boy, Eli.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a good boy. Do you want some more?
Yeah, you want some more?
Yeah.
You right?
They've been wet. Mum.
Yeah, you wet?
Yeah, I know. See, Ethan's good with them.
Yeah. Wonder if it'll eat it. Oh, slowly gonna check it out. No! That was Shakaila's fault. That one's a bit shy over there.
I feed the kangaroos.
I know, you did feed the kangaroo. You done such a good job.
You're a big boy, aren't you?
This one's a bit shy over there, he's not too sure.
Oh, I don't care. Don't worry, I'll show him first. If I see it, I might think, no, I can't do that. But really, it would be nice for her to see.
Here's Andrea feeding the kangaroo. All these birds are coming around. Ethan's trying to get the birds to all come down. But here's Andrea feeding this one. Eli? Hello. Mr. Hungry.
They're great big blackbirds, aren't they?
Hello. Hey. Look at this tail.
Look at Mom. Whoa. Look at one of my head. That's how you do it. Some on your head. It came. That didn't work. I can't. Look at all of them. They're everywhere. Oh. Oh, hey, matey.
Gentle, baby, gentle. Oh, that hurt my head. Ow.
It was hurting my head too.
They're all fighting. Alright, we got birds everywhere.
I know you want.
And kangaroos. And oh, hello.
Mom.
Shh.
I tore my head. Ah, someone shot us. Ah, I'm funny.
Oh, oh, they're fighting. So cute. There's a baby in this pouch. I don't know if the baby's sleeping. It looks a bit squashed in there. Baby in there. Hello. I wonder if it eats. Do you want one? Aww. I don't know if it's meant to be eating them. Oh, hello. Do you want some more? This is the mum. And then the little Joey in the pouch. It's hanging out and it's freezing, so it's good. Alright, I'm just going to leave these here. It's so cold out here.